Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon weekly on settings. Here you click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list we search about the application of Groupon. Here you click on First Stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. We search about Groupon. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching. Enjoy.